Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Not a deep clean, but definitely this can't go on any longer clean. Everything needed a reset. So I'm not calling this a deep clean because I actually started one a few weeks ago. I took all the covers off, but I couldn't finish. So the kids ended up helping me out. And now I'm going to add my touch and get the house smelling amazing. Okay, look at this difference. Under the couch is literally pristine, like untouched, and then the other side is basically the sidewalk. It's night and day. Does anyone else have a pet with a favorite toy they've completely obliterated, but they still act like it's their emotional support item? She's obsessed with this little mouse. It's basically just a lump now. I find it by my head every morning. She's so cute. Anyways, I have this spot over here. That's where my son spilled a blue slushie. So I'm going to move all the couches out of the way to the other side. Now you can really see how that contrast is. Oof, girl. I was going to just pull it up and put it in the washing machine like this. This is a washable rug, by the way. But then I'm like, wait, I should probably do a little spot cleaning. So I went ahead and grabbed some Dawn. Actually, I think it was Gain, a scent that I've never had before. It smells like something from my childhood. I don't know. It's a scent that I've never smelled before. It's not bad, but I definitely wanted the original scent. This is very specific, but it smells like a girl that I went to middle school with. It smells like a clean person, not like a clean house. Besides that, it did get the stain out. I had to pause really quick and call my neighbor to ask if I could borrow a broom because ours broke like 2 days before this when we were scrubbing the garage floor. So I didn't remember until I started filming this video. Then I'm like, let me go get the broom. Don't have a broom. So luckily she was home and I was able to borrow one from her. I'm setting the area rug to wash really quickly. That's what I used and my setting. I ended up washing this so many times, but I'll talk about that more at the end of the video. Now I'm going to get into some actual cleaning. And now I'm setting up to steam mop. I have to get some more peppermint essential oil because I miss that scent. Today I'm just using some water, dish soap, and a little bit of rubbing alcohol in my spray bottle. Can I just express really quick how happy I am to be in a better place to film and enjoy content? My subscribers, thank you for supporting me and giving me the encouragement I needed to keep going. I'm so back. Like and share, girl. Also subscribe. I haven't done that in a really long time. Okay, we cleaned under the couch, we put the area rug in the washing machine. Now I'm placing it back to vacuum the inside. There's still some crumbs in it. I had to grab the broom again, but I'm gonna scrub the couch, vacuum it, and then steam all of the backrest cushions. I already went over the couch and where we got it from in an older vlog, but I'm still loving the couch. It's not as light as I'm making it seem. The parts are definitely heavy. You should remove the cushions before moving it like this. We have 2 of these couches, and I have another set of covers in like a cream ivory color. Haven't used them yet, but it's a 4-seater, an oversized 4-seater with 2 ottomans, so we have a lot of extra ottomans. And the couch is not supposed to be an L. It's actually supposed to go straight across, but I want it to be an L because I feel like it looks better, so I just have it like that. For my couch cleaning solution this time, I'm using hot water that I boiled, not like super hot. You don't want to burn your hands. And then a tiny splash of softener and the tiniest dot of dish soap, and that's it. Did you see it? Because it was literally microscopic. I don't want to have a film on the couch, and I have sensitive skin, so I also don't want to get a rash. And this part's really easy as long as you have a cloth that's bigger than your pot top. Mine was a little too big, so I switched out for a smaller one, wrapped it up. I don't know why I dipped it in the water like this, just like as a demonstration, but you're supposed to submerge it in the water, squeeze it out really good. You don't want the couch to be too damp. Probably don't do it directly in front of your TV, and then go ahead and wrap it back up and get to scrubbing. That's clean, clean. I love the scrub lines. Oh my gosh. I had very few spots, but if I did, I just concentrated on them. So that's what that is, just some spots that need to dry up a bit more, but nice and clean, and it smells so good in here. Now I'm going to steam the backrest cushions. I love this steamer. I use it for everything, curtains, the couch, clothing. It's so handy. I love it. I really love steaming as part of my cleaning routine. This helps lift any trapped odors and it refreshes the fabric instantly. The heat also breaks down anything that's been sitting deep down in the fibers, and honestly, I feel like this is what really brings the couch back to life. Okay, now I'm going to give this big old ottoman a good scrub down. I could not imagine scrubbing all 4 at once. I was sweating bullets by the end of this. Also, the fact that the other couch cushions or couch covers are inside of this makes it so much heavier. The area rug was on its last dry cycle. I ended up washing it 3 times and soaking it once for like an hour, and then drying it a couple of times, and then eventually just hanging it over the gate so I can finish drying. You guys will see what it looks like. I think it's safe to say I'm gonna need a new area rug. But for dinner tonight, I'm making chicken leg quarters. I like chicken leg quarters. They're my favorite part of the chicken. I also like chicken thighs, but this was just a simple meal that I can throw in the oven and forget about because I was tired after doing all that couch cleaning. Okay, back to this rug. After all that washing, drying, I even try to like hit it outside, considered pressure washing it maybe. This was the result of all of that. Now I'm gonna go in with this carpet powder, like a carpet refresher. And these are my house shoes. I don't wear these anywhere but in the house. So I'm not just wearing some random outside shoes on a clean rug. It is clean, it smells really nice, but it's so stained. After all that, I even vacuumed it again. I'm just in disbelief. It's so bad. This gotta go. I had to give you guys a close-up so you don't think I'm crazy saying that I did all that just for this. Maybe a laundromat? I don't know. And that is it for this video, at least for the couch cleaning part. That was a success. Ignore that dingy rug. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Oh, I want to show you guys how the food turned out and then I'll talk to you guys in my next video.